So the next key element that I want to discuss in terms of the water activity and judging water activity instrumentation is the ease of verification and how difficult that process is. For the LabMaster Neo, the way that it does verification, and again, the reason why you have to maintain the instrument is to make sure that it's performing the way that it's supposed to. The way you determine if it's performing the way that it's supposed to is through the use of salt standards. And there's essentially two different types of salt standards. There's saturated salt solutions that have known water activities based on the type of salt, and there are unsaturated salt solutions, and those are water activities known based on concentration. And so both are available. The advantage of the saturated slurries that are offered by the Novacina system is that they are reusable. So these come in a container. Inside you'll find one of these saturated salt slurries. These have up to 3-year shelf life. They're reusable, so you don't have to keep purchasing them again and again. So they aren't a consumable, and with an unsaturated salt solution, that is a consumable, and so that cost can add up, and it can be even as high as up to $65,000 per year just in salt consumable costs. Whereas these are reusable, they are good for up to 3 years, so you're not incurring that repeated cost. So in terms of verification, it's a real simple process with the Neo. It even has an RFID chip located right in the instrument. You just take the salt solution, present it to the instrument. It recognizes what salt solution that is, asks you if you want to verify or calibrate. So that whole process is automated. It's impossible to get the wrong salt or think you're using one salt versus another. So a very simple process as far as being able to quickly do a verification and using reusable salts.